Place steel wool in boiling water, and you'll be surprised by the result. After learning this, I never had this problem at home again. If you thought steel wool was only for cleaning your pans, know that you're wrong. Its uses go far beyond that, and that's exactly what I'll show you in this video. But before I tell you what placing steel wool in boiling water is for, let me show you other different uses for steel wool that will definitely be very useful in your daily life. Steel wool on mirrors. A great use for steel wool is to clean and remove stains from mirrors. Take a piece of steel wool and rub it directly on the stains, and you'll see how easily they come off. But remember to do this with dry steel wool, without any liquid. The same can be done on the shower glass to remove tough stains. Sharpen scissors. If you have dull scissors at home that are no longer cut, steel wool can also help you. See how these scissors are dull and can't cut anything anymore. It just chews the plastic, and that's not cutting. To fix this, take a piece of steel wool and rub it on the scissors. Make a back and forth motion on both sides. Keep doing this until you feel the blades are sharper. Once that's done, I'll take the same plastic to test it. And check this out. Cutting like a razor. And you can repeat this process whenever you want. Steel wool on the squeegee. Another very useful way to use steel wool is by attaching it to a squeegee. To do this, open the steel wool like I'm showing. Then place the squeegee on top, close the steel wool, and secure it with 2 clothespins. Apply some detergent and attach the handle. And with this, you can clean high areas in your home. You can clean the tiles in the kitchen, bathroom, or wherever you want. And all without needing to climb on chairs or ladders. Since that can be dangerous, especially for some people who feel dizzy. Steel wool can also be very useful for lighting your stove if you're out of lighters or matches, or if there's no electricity and you need to light a candle. All you'll need are 2 batteries and a piece of steel wool. Cut a piece about this size and stretch it out like this. Once done, keep the batteries touching each other, connecting the negative pole with the positive, just like this. Then place one end of the steel wool on the bottom battery and hold it with your finger. And with the other end, touch the top battery. The energy from the batteries can light the steel wool. Check it out. And with this, you can light a piece of paper and start your stove or candle. Now that you've learned some different uses for steel wool, it's time to show you what it's for when placed in boiling water. To do this, bring some water to a boil. Then take one piece of steel wool and open it like this. Once done, fully submerge it in the water. Add some dish soap on top, and then 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Now turn off the heat, and with this trick, you can restore your stove burners. That's right. These parts often accumulate a lot of dirt, grease, and rust. And this can harm the stove's performance, making you use more cooking gas than necessary. All you need to do is place the burner in the mixture. Then close the steel wool over the burner. After that, let the mixture work until the water cools. Once the time has passed, remove the parts and see the difference. You'll notice how much cleaner it will be. And if there's any remaining dirt, just scrub it with the steel wool and it will come off easily, because the mixture has already melted all the dirt and grease. And look at that. See the difference. Here I'll take one that wasn't cleaned and compare. Isn't it amazing? That's why it's totally worth it. This was today's video. I hope you liked it. Now let us know which of these steel wool tricks you like the most, and which ones you didn't know about. Take care, and see you in the next video.